cannot have any other lover, for I have won all the great pleasures of love. For I could not be more satisfied with my firm desire than he with all his gifts. Now I live rich and joyful, beautiful and pleasing lady. I love you so loyally, firm, free from doubt, like a shipwrecked man saved on a rough sea, when a fair wind brings him to a safe harbor. And since worth nor praise nor honor can have ever the place of a supplicant, I have given myself to you. And instead of lying together, I take the love and the comfort for a very beautiful reward. Lady comes to me from you. If only I may be joyful for one beautiful honor is worth more than a small gift. And every worthy, gracious man, without too much begging, does many beautiful gifts when he is pleased. And your beautiful pleasure is of such great sweetness that with rich deeds of valor you make yourself honored and dearly held by the worthy. And worth and beauty of which many are envious, and the honorable responses you make to all people, and the gracious comfort, then rich and joyful, which make you to all guides to the worthy, for which you are given lordship over all praise. So if servants who serve a good Lord remain in good hope, I ought not to be blamed. If I wish to remain with you where all good things are placed, and let no annoying, jealous slanderer think that an unseemly word passes through my teeth, but rather a good song heard from afar. For worth and joy, the guides have themselves praised by the best where true lineage is. So it is worth more if I speak truth of your great worth than to lie about elsewhere, like one badly rewarded who cannot contain anything, and of beautiful truth I ought not to be doubtful, for just like the lion with eyes open sleeps, lady, just the same my spirit sees you waking and sleeping at the crack. I start toward you like shadows toward the sun. Now, beloved, gracious diamond, treasure and complete joy in love.